Hey guys, hey, I'm back because I said that I was going to be using my Blendjet that I just got yesterday. So I'm just gonna really quickly just do some blending and see how this works. It'll be my first time, so I'm doing it on camera. All right, so we don't need to see my face anymore because now I'm gonna go forward with this. So I had it charged last night, plugged into the wall. I probably did, I don't know, maybe 4 hours or something like that. The first charge is like 3 to 4 hours, so that's what I did. So let's do this. Then take the top off. I normally don't put the ice in first in my shakes, in my blenders, but I'm gonna do that now. So grab like 1 or 2, I'll drop that, I need the third one. 1 to 2 pieces of ice. Normally I just do a banana shake and I use almond milk, but I'm gonna do a mango banana shake. And excuse the background, those are my girls that you hear, and forgot to peel it. So gonna just, and I'm not using very big portions like I normally would, obviously because of the size of the blender itself. So I guess I gotta get used to that. So I'm just gonna cut some pieces of mango and see how already like I'm like, oh, what am I gonna do about the space? I really don't know. So I'm kind of learning as I go. I think what I'm gonna do is try to blend first, blend a little first. So lesson learned, I probably could have done like one piece of the banana, and I'm gonna take that out. I'm all over the place, but whatever. It's not staged. I'm gonna do 1 mango and 1 banana. I'm gonna let that blend a little bit to give it some space. This is probably how I have to do it. So, okay, I'm gonna turn it on. There's a power button. I'm gonna turn it off. So far so good. I just wanted to get more liquid first so I can throw in the rest of my things. Putting more. I'm gonna put a little more orange juice, and I'm gonna put some powder. I normally put like a superfood powder in my shakes along with another powder that I'm going to show you. I do a little bit of that, a little bit of green powder. I love this stuff. It's an antioxidant if you're interested. I keep it in the freezer, stays fresh longer. Also, I use this, and I put a little bit of that in my shake as well. I go really light with this because I feel like the taste of it can be really strong if you put a lot, so I kind of go very little. Sprinkle a little bit of that. All right, I'm gonna put the top on, and I'm gonna turn it upside down at first and start it, and then we'll turn it in. Okay, it's working. It's doing it. It's crumbling. That's how it sounds when it's on the counter. I think it's good. I can still hear the ice. And I'm going to stop it now and open it up. I like this a lot. Okay, so I just took it off and the strainer is still on there, so which is great. So when I pour it into my mug or cup or whatever, I'm going to do a clear one so you guys can see. It kind of just strains it, but I don't really need a strainer because I'm not juicing. You know, I feel like the strainer comes in handy when I'm juicing, obviously, but when you're blending, you already take the peels off, so you don't really need the strainer, but it's nice that it's an option to have just in case. That looks so good to me. I don't know about you guys, but I love shakes. I'm a shake person. I really like this blender a lot. I think it's going to be very convenient to my life. I have nothing negative to say about it. I plan on doing many more, and I probably will. And maybe I'll record some other shake, ingredients. And when I buy my next one, I'll let you guys know. But so far, first day, love it. Made a good shake, blended everything well. I would recommend probably cutting your fruits into smaller pieces, obviously because of the size. But other than that, that's it. Like, that's not even a negative thing. Just cut them smaller, put 1 or 2 pieces of ice because you'll have more space for your fruit. I guess the ratio is totally up to you, but that's that. Okay, later.